Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a handy kitchen gadget that can make your salad prep so much easier, the Risu Liberalista Salad Spinner. We've linked this product in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Risu Liberalista Salad Spinner is a versatile vegetable drainer designed to help you wash and dry your greens efficiently. With a capacity of approximately 0.6 gallons or 2.3 liters, this product is perfect for both small and medium-sized batches of salad ingredients. Its compact dimensions, about 8.3 inches long, 7.0 inches wide, and 6.6 inches tall, make it easy to store and handle, fitting neatly into most kitchen cabinets. One of the standout features of this salad spinner is its construction. Made in Japan, the main body is crafted from durable PS, while the lid, drainer, and other parts are composed of pages. This combination ensures longevity and reliability in your kitchen. Additionally, the anti-slip silicone rubber base adds stability, preventing any unwanted slipping during operation, a thoughtful design touch that enhances user experience. Heat resistance is another feature worth noting. The main body can withstand temperatures up to approximately 156 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lid and drainer can handle up to 222 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it not only useful for drying salads but also versatile enough to handle other kitchen tasks, such as rinsing and draining pasta or washing fruits. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a salad lover or someone who frequently prepares fresh produce, this salad spinner is a must-have. It's also great for families looking to incorporate more greens into their diet, as it simplifies the washing and drying process. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who enjoys cooking, you'll find this spinner to be a practical addition to your culinary toolkit. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases.